Think your kitchen is already complete? Think again. These
25.
mind-blowing kitchen gadgets are about to upgrade your cooking game in 2025. From genius time savers to futuristic tools you didn't even know existed, get ready for smarter, faster, and way more fun meal prep. All the Amazon links? You'll find them down below. The folding salad spinner. Show gadget slowly, then action shot spinning greens. Washing and drying greens just got an upgrade. This folding salad spinner uses a collapsible handle to spin water right off your fruits and veggies. Crisp, fresh, ready to eat. And when you're done, it folds flat to save space. Lightweight, easy, zero hassle. The dumpling mold. Show mold being filled, pressed, then reveal perfect dumplings. Why fold one dumpling at a time when you can make 37 at once? Just press, fill, seal, done. Made from durable aluminum, built to last for years. Perfect for family dinners or dumpling nights with friends. The duct blower fan. Show fan installation, then steam disappearing. Lingering kitchen smoke? Gone. Bathroom humidity? History. This duct blower fan connects to your vent, removing odors, heat, and moisture fast. Small, powerful, and easy to install. Fresh air on demand. The folding cart. Show it unfolding, loading groceries, office boxes, moving day. This folding cart can handle it all. Pops open with one push, lightweight but strong, and it folds flat in seconds when you're done. The nut sheller. Show kid using crank for pistachios. Cracking pistachios is now fun. Just turn the crank, shells off, nuts perfect. Safe for kids, satisfying for adults. Works on peanuts too. The frozen treat maker. Show soft serve dispensing into a bowl. Ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes. This 13-in-1 frozen maker does it all at the touch of a button. Go dairy-free, high-protein, or low-calorie. Fun for kids, a dream for adults. Cleanup? Dishwasher safe. The electric cutter. Show slicing garlic effortlessly. Slicing, dicing, mincing, without lifting a knife. This cordless electric cutter is fast, compact, and rechargeable. Just press and let stainless steel blades do the work. The rotisserie kit. Show meat turning over fire without power. Roast like a pro. No electricity needed. This wind-up stainless steel kit turns food automatically. Works on the grill, in the oven, or over open flame. Comes with everything for your next barbecue. The automatic egg cooker. Show machine cracking and cooking eggs. Omelets on autopilot. This machine cracks, cooks, and separates eggs. The stuffed waffle maker. Show, batter, filling, flip, reveal, waffle. Pour, batter. Add your favorite filling. Flip. Golden, crispy outside, soft, delicious, surprise inside. Sweet or savory, your call. The touchless paper towel dispenser. Show hands waving and grabbing towel. Messy hands? Just wave. This dispenser gives you a paper towel. No touching, no waste. Keeps your kitchen clean and smart. The portable dryer. Show shirt drying quickly. Dries clothes in as little as 15 minutes. Compact, plug and play. With 8 modes, it even refreshes clothes without washing. The magnetic window scrubber. Show cleaning high apartment window. Clean both sides of your window at once. Just glide and you're done. Safe tether means no drops. Perfect for high windows or apartments. The auto dustpan. Show sweeping debris into floor vent. Sweep your mess right in. No bending, no pan. This auto dustpan sucks up crumbs, dirt, and dust instantly. Kitchen floors stay spotless. The kebab maker. Show stacking meat, slicing, inserting skewers. 49 skewers in 5 minutes. Load, slice, skewer, done. Fast, clean, perfect, every time. The countertop dishwasher. Show compact dishwasher loading and running. No space for a full size? This portable model cleans dishes, fruits, and veggies. Built-in tank, multiple modes, high temp shine.